KuhuMelo! Hello kids, today we are going to learn amazing colors. Let's go! This is color orange. Orange. Orange car. Orange. Orange color. This is color black. Black. Black car. Black apple. Black. This is pink. 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 Pink teddy bear. Pink. This is color yellow. Yellow duck. Yellow bus. Yellow bananas. Yellow. Yellow apple. This is color green. 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 Green apple. Green car. Green. This is red. Red. Red apple. Red car. Red balloon. Red. This is blue. Blue car. Blue balloon. Blue apple. Blue. This is purple. Purple. Purple teddy bear. Purple car. Purple. Purple.
Hello kids! Like and subscribe the channel for more fun and learning videos. Bye-bye! See you next time!